80% of people who have made money from real estate did so through land banking, where, for instance, where they get to buy into a promising location and sell in the future at a significant price. And that is what you get when you buy into Peace Garden Estate. So Peace Garden Estate is located between Golf Annex Estate and then Trans-Ekulu Extension Phases. And if you are familiar with these two locations, you know there will be massive development in Trans-Ekulu Extension Phases and then Golf Annex Estate. Massive development. I'm talking about development like road construction, buildings which are for residential or for commercial purposes. And now the good part is that this development is now coming towards Peace Garden Estate, all the way from Trans-Ekulu Estate Phases. Each plot in this estate is currently selling on a pre-sale price of 20 million naira, but the actual price is 25 million naira. I know as a wise investor, now is the best time for you to position yourself and then invest in this estate, because if you can buy now, you get to enjoy the future appreciation that will be happening in Peace Garden Estate. Each plot in this estate measures 500 square meters, and that gives you enough space for whatever you desire to do with your plot in the future. It comes with a registered deed and a registered survey plan, and that goes far to tell you as a wise investor that this estate is fully registered, it is free from government interest, it is free from land litigation or land disputes. If you're in Nigeria, in diaspora, a first-time buyer, an experienced investor, and looking for a property that you can buy now, so get future appreciation in the future, or you're looking for a property where you can buy today with the intention of building in the future, a property that is good for land banking, then just simply call the number showing on your screen and we'll take you to the site to Peace Garden Estate for a free inspection, help you to secure a plot or more by taking advantage of the pre-sale price before the price increases. We look forward to seeing your call.